what you use is what you got, and a lot of soap makers have made things with citric acid, so that's what I use to clean out my distiller. So you just let it soak in there, and like I said, all this is citric acid. You know, something you got handy. I mean, it comes with this little jar of this stuff. I just put citric acid in there and just let it sit in there for 10 minutes, or you can just scrub it like this and get all that hard water out of there. Also wipe down, this is just like a rubber gasket. Just wipe that down with a wet towel, wipe the inside of this out. So there's two ports on the front here. Tilt this just a little bit. You can see them over here. And one of them is for your plug-in. They only go in one way, so one's male, one's female side. And then your top goes back on. And you might have to flip it around just to get this cord over here to fit inside that port, so it's probably gonna have to go right here. I'm just gonna flip this a whole another 360, plug that in, and you're ready to start pulling all the hard water, all the minerals and stuff out of that water. So I'm just gonna turn it on. It'll take a minute to start dripping. And that's what it sounds like. Let me turn it back off a minute. It does get a little bit warm in the summertime, so you might not want to put it directly over a counter, or just let it kind of be in free flow. So this little cap comes up. It comes with two caps, but you're just going to want to stick that right where that water starts catching it, and it'll just start filling up. Takes about 2 hours.